hiccups, buddy? Huh? Yeah. Look at the camera for me. Say hello to some people. Look, say hello. Be sociable. Look. Got the hiccups? What you think about sunlight? That's your first time seeing sunlight. Huh? Is it bright? Yeah? Is it bright? Too bright? Hmm? Excuse you. Okay. Let's go see if we can get rid of the hiccups so you can eat. Here, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.